Hi, I'm Sean Gann, and this is minutemath. And today we're going to learn about naming polynomials. We're going to name each polynomial by degree and number of terms. So if I was given this polynomial, simple little one, ready? 1. So if I had to identify this 1, okay, we look at it. Is there a variable? No, there's no variable there. Well, you could say almost there is, right? And we're going to kind of like put a little dot, dot, dot. So let's say it's n, and it's n to the 0 power, because n to the 0 power is just 1. So that's kind of like we can think about that. So our highest degree is really n to the 0 power, and that makes us 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Fantastic. But when we have a 0 power as our highest degree, really there's no n value, we call that a constant. And it's constant because, well, there's no really variable, right? So you can kind of think of it like that. I don't necessarily put that down. I think it can be confusing sometimes too. But when we just have a number, right, we can see that there's more for you counting down like the exponents. Like, well, if it's n to the first, what's n to the 0? And it's constant. Constant meaning that it's consistent, doesn't change. There's no variable that can change it. So it's a constant. And we have one term, one section. So that's a monomial. And there we have it. Our final answer is a constant monomial. So to recap, we're given just 1, right? So we're just given 1 there, and so it's really n to the 0 power. So if you're counting down the degrees of your variable, well, 0 power, it's a constant. There's no changing to it. So we call that a constant, and there's one term, it's monomial. So next time someone asks you about 1, you can say, oh, you can identify it as that constant monomial? Crappy little joke. Whatever, okay? But our final answer here is a constant monomial.